Hello everyone, let's dive into the PremiumCord DisplayPort to Mini DisplayPort adapter. This little gadget is designed to bridge the gap between your devices, particularly if you're working with Apple laptops that use the Mini DisplayPort. The adapter itself is a straightforward DisplayPort female to Mini DisplayPort male setup. It supports full HD 1080p at 60 Hz, which is perfectly adequate for everyday use, streaming, and general productivity. The build feels robust, promising good mechanical strength, which is reassuring considering how often these little adapters can be plugged and unplugged. Aesthetically, it's a simple black adapter with nickel-plated connection surfaces and a white connection color. The hood is molded, and it comes in a simple poly bag packaging. Nothing fancy, but gets the job done. In terms of compatibility, it's designed for laptops, making it ideal for connecting to external monitors or projectors. The DisplayPort standard supported is 1.1a. The dimensions are approximately 9.84 by 6.42 by 0.59 inches. It's compact enough to carry around without being a burden. Overall, the PremiumCord adapter is a solid, no-frill solution for connecting devices with different DisplayPort interfaces. If you need a reliable adapter for your Mini DisplayPort-equipped laptop, this one is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.